How to reduce or stop snoring? 3 steps. Number 1, use your palm over here, little one, and rub your nose, beside your nose, up and down for 1 minute. And you feel hot and warm over this area. That's how you do it, okay? For 1 minute. Step 2, 3 fingers, tap over here and down to here, tap on the side of the nose and tap on the cheek over here for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3, 2 thumb, back over here, there's a tenderness spot over here under the scalp, and rub it for 1 minute. Do it every night, half an hour before you go to bed. Do it for at least 2 weeks. Then you ask your partner, and your partner will tell you that your snoring is actually getting less and less. Follow me on TikTok for more tips.